GooZoo unveils a neon rainbow of slime textures, where new episodes splash with fizzing bubbles and silky swirls in every splash. Each short segment introduces a fresh color, scent, or kinetic moment, inviting curious fingers to touch and listen. ASMR listeners will hear gentle crackles, plush thuds, and whispering beads, turning GooZoo into a calming therapy and therapeutic calm. From kid-friendly crafts to mindful experiments for adults, GooZoo blends play with comfort and tactile imagination for all ages. Touch and listen, and watch wonder bloom as GooZoo proves that everything can feel softer right now.